So here's a look at the future of all mom and pop stores, in my opinion, which is going to be a nostalgic look back to the past with these combo retro stores.
Look at the intensity.
As you can see, there's a great selection of gaming systems. There's a big screen TV in the back. You also see a selection of local artists and their work. A lot of pre-owned items that look like they're really good condition. There's a big selection of that. See if you could spot the hidden Mickey. As well as some handmade items and some more games that are probably pre-owned. Some more handmade items and some custom painted items as well.
Really awesome staff. Hannah is working here today. She did a really great job. And she's really nice. So come check out Pop Culture in Clermont and come see Hannah. He's over here playing Contra. We just came for float. Like, who does this? Who comes to eat something and come and end up staying and playing? This one. This one comes and does that. So let's go. Take a nice little walk. We just ate some really good food at the Mount Rose. Trust me, every time we come to Clermont, we're always like, yeah, we can live here. Because it really is family friendly. It's small town, big city kind of concept. You still have entertainment. You might not find like nightclubs or whatever, but do you really want that close to your house? If you do, you know, there's areas for you. Like there's downtown Orlando, Soto, and all that place, right? But if you are a family and you're like, yo, I just want like a place that I can chill after work, or it's the weekend and we want something to like a place to go, Clermont I think has, it's like 5 o'clock, so like maybe people might be getting off work and be like, oh, let me hit, you know, the margarita bar or the beer garden. But there's just options. Like we're coming from an area that has relatively nothing. It's hard not to be like in awe at a place like this. So
more relaxed setting.
Yeah.
It's not gonna be for everybody, because there's gonna be people that are like, this is too laid back, and you can leave your house here and just be like, you know what, I'm gonna sit on a park bench and get some fresh air.
Yeah.
Get a moment to like
that is people watch, but for us, this is like the type of community that we, I think, trying to lean towards. This is a little bit of Clermont our way.